Hi, my name is Morgan and I'm going to be posting on this channel right now. So go subscribe and like. And we are going to be making a pop socket as you saw in the description. And let's get started. What are you going to be needing is a water bottle. You could use tape or glue. And scissors. You're gonna be needing a cap because that's how you're gonna stick your pop socket on it. So that's what you're gonna be needing. So I'm going to be starting with the water bottle and the scissors. I'm gonna start with starting with the bottom. I'm gonna cut down until you see I'm cutting a slit open so I could start cutting. You're just gonna cut it open, start cutting it open. And then once you get like to the little part right here, the little part, you're gonna start cutting around it so you don't like mess up your pop socket. And as you see, you have a scrap. Save that for scraps if you need to. And then I'm just going to round it up. If you have big hands, then you can cut it like big. But I have like small hands, so I'm going to cut it like small. So this is a scrap too. So you can add that to your scrap box, and then you just have this little thing. Then you're going to glue the scraps top on to your little thing. I don't know what to call this. So let's go do that. Okay, I have my Elmer's glue here, and I am going to put that around the edges of my pop socket. Until like it's right. And then you see at the top, it's like a little bit off. I'm gonna trim that a little bit. It's a little bit off. And you see that right here? This is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, I'll be right back. I forgot to announce this. You're supposed to have scrap paper, and that's what I have right here. So with the scrap paper, you are going to be making a logo, whatever, like Musical.ly or something, because I have one. I'm just going to put my name, so let me go get the scissors. I'll be right back. And then you're supposed to have this little circle. And then I have this circle. I'm going to put my name on it in a fancy way. So I'll see you guys when I do that. Subscribe. Bye.